Hi, my name is Salim Mannani. By profession, I work in purchasing, but I'm also a photography hobbyist and enthusiast. Recently, I had a memory card corrupt on me whilst I was trying to transfer the photos that I had taken from a photo shoot to my laptop. My instant reaction was to use the program that was given by the manufacturer of the memory card to try and recover the photos. I had a problem with that as it only recovered some of the photos, but not the photos that I didn't have a backup of. I then heard about Stella software, and I gave that a try. I managed to recover photos that I had lost, both in JPEG format and in the RAW format or Nikon's NEF format. I found the program very intuitive to use and very easy to use, and I managed to see the photos that were being recovered. I would highly recommend the program to anybody who has problems with a corrupt memory card and for wanting to try and recover photos. Thank you very much. Bye.